At Wuxi Longterm, our commitment to delivering exceptional products and services to our customers is unwavering. We understand the importance of a seamless process when it comes to ensuring the quality of the equipment you purchase from us. That's why we have implemented a rigorous quality assurance and shipping procedure that guarantees your complete satisfaction. Thorough inspection. Before your equipment leaves our facility, it undergoes a meticulous inspection by our highly skilled technicians. Each component is examined for functionality, quality, and adherence to our strict standards. Rigorous testing. Our products go through a series of rigorous tests to ensure they perform optimally. We conduct performance tests, durability assessments, and safety checks to guarantee that your equipment meets or exceeds industry standards. 3. Custom packaging. We take great care in packaging your equipment to prevent any damage during transit. Customized packaging solutions are designed to fit the specific dimensions and requirements of your order, providing an extra layer of protection. 4. Secure and track shipping. We partner with trusted shipping providers to ensure the secure and timely delivery of your equipment. Each shipment is tracked, allowing you to monitor the progress of your order from our warehouse to your doorstep. 5. Documentation and support accompanying your shipment. You will receive comprehensive documentation, including user manuals and warranty information. Our customer support team is readily available to assist you with any questions or concerns you may have. Thank you for choosing your company name for your equipment needs. We look forward to serving you with the utmost dedication and professionalism.